What is Video Sales Accelerator? Basically, it's a combination of coaching with me, video editing services, as well as content management. I'll talk about each of these individually. So the first one is the one-on-one coaching. So you get 12 calls with me. It's a 6-month program where you're working with me twice a month, 2 times a month for the 6 months. And the goal of this process is, again, 1, plan the content. 2, record the content. 3, share the content, and then leverage the content. I'll show how we go about doing this. So let's start with number 1, right? Planning the content. I mentioned earlier that you had an opportunity to get the elder care content guide. You don't have to plan out your content because I've already got this done for you. I've already planned out all of the content, so you don't need to do it. One less step. But here's the thing. What really makes Video Sales Accelerator different from other programs that may be out there, right? Video that exists and being able to create video is what I call our digital directing process. And this is where we're recording the content. And so the difference is that you're not on your own when you're recording content, because that can be really tough. I know, in recording by yourself. I am there with you every step of the way, helping you to record the content, giving you positive feedback, giving you constructive criticism. Hey, say that again. Let's try that one more time. And so what we do is, with this digital marketing process in recording on Zoom, all you have to do is show up. And so we get on the call and we take each piece of the video frame by frame. Okay, introduce yourself. Great, good job. All right, next thing. Tip number 1. Boom, you say tip number 1. Great, now you talk about it. All right, tip number 2. Oh, you mess up. Let's go back. Tip number 2. We're not just going back and trying to record a video all in one take. Oh my gosh, no wonder why people don't do video. There's a reason why people don't do that in the movies. That is a strenuous process. If you do film in one take, there's a reason. It's cinematic genius when you see a movie that's all in one take. Have you ever seen 1917? Phenomenal movie. I think that's the title. Where they make it seem like it's all filmed in one take, but it really is just maybe 3 different takes. It's amazing. But anyway, through that process, right, we're able to walk you through piece by piece of the video, and then we put it all together. And so all you got to do, again, is jump on a call with me. But this digital directing process is really what makes it unique. Take Skip here, right? It would have taken me a week or 2 to do 3 videos. We'll be banged out in less than an hour. I had some anxiety, maybe sounds familiar, before, because I thought I was going to fumble on my words. Nick guided me and kept me in the lanes. I was expecting it to take 3 hours to do 3 videos. It was great. I liked the accountability part too. It was very productive and we got a lot done. I highly recommend working with Nick. Another example, digital directing. Debbie Humphreys from Home Helpers. This would have probably taken me 4 weeks, had 4-hour minimum each time to have recorded all this many videos. This was awesome. Paul from Right at Home. It was incredibly exciting and awesome, and it really made me feel a lot more comfortable doing this. Having you there to help guide me along kept me on track. Lisa, having the split screen on Zoom and being able to have direction was really helpful to me. You kept me on task, and you also had me prepared in advance so that I was ready to go when it was time to do our recordings. It doesn't take that much when you have support and you have help. The digital directing process is revolutionizing how we record content in a way that saves you time and gets you the results quicker. Now you may be asking, hey, does the Zoom hurt the quality? And the answer is no, because we record on a high resolution webcam. We use a quality microphone so that it sounds good. And we make sure that you have a nice clean background. And lastly, professional editing. And that's the next part here regarding the Video Sales Accelerator program, is that we will professionally edit all of your videos, right? So we got a custom logo animation, royalty-free music, custom motion graphics, YouTube end screen. We got an intro, outro. We use stock B-roll that really adds visual aids to the video as you're speaking, as well as highlighting key points to making sure that each point is hit on as you're educating your audience. So through this process, what videos are we creating? And so there's 12 core videos that we create, and that's how many videos you get in Video Sales Accelerator. You get your why video, which I touched on. You get your recruitment video, right? Where you're getting this compilation of video where you're getting the what makes you different, and then you're also getting each individual testimonial, which is 4 to 6, right? So technically it's actually more than 12 videos, because if you add these 6 videos, now you're looking at 18 videos. Then you get 10 educational videos from 3 to 5 minutes, a customized, it's all customized to your business, right, with your branding. And then you also get 10 TikToks. So it's actually more than 12 videos if you count TikToks, because now you're getting an additional 10 videos. So you're looking at 30 videos that you're now getting instead of these 12, but it's the 12 core videos and then this additional content that you are getting. And so this is kind of another example of what it looks like from an execution standpoint. You see here the YouTube version. This is what we do on Facebook, where you get the captions underneath it. You get the title up the top so that it's very more engaging. And then this is similar to the IG Reels / TikTok version of it that we make in the 1-minute version. You're also getting the transcript that we convert into a blog, as well as custom thumbnails that go with each individual video. As a bonus, we're also going to manage your YouTube channel. So yes, one less thing, as we're creating this video content, we are gonna, 1, optimize your site so it looks really nice. We create a little custom banner. We make sure that there's all the descriptions and all the keywords are all filled in, all the descriptions in a way that's effective for YouTube optimization, as well as uploading each individual that we create. And so as long as you're working with us, we will continue to manage your YouTube channel. Again, little bonus, one less thing that you have to deal with. Now, again, you may be asking, how much time is this going to take me? That's a big question that we get asked, because I know your time is valuable. It only takes 2 hours a month. All you have to do is show up. We're gonna do all of the process, right? All you gotta do is be here, show up on the calls where we're gonna plan the content we're gonna create. We're gonna record the content. My team's gonna edit it. Then I'm gonna show you, hey, here's how we're gonna schedule out the content. We'll schedule out the stuff on YouTube as well, so that you have that one last thing. So you may be asking, is this right for you? You also may be wondering, hey, what's the price? I know that's probably a question that you're wondering. And so what are the next steps? Well, the next steps are to determine whether or not this is right for you. And so let's schedule a call today. Click the button below, right, to schedule a call. We'll talk, we'll figure out if this is right for you, and really determine, we'll go over, right? We'll discuss what your goals are and what you like to achieve. We'll evaluate your current brand strategy and then determine if Video Sales Accelerator is right for you. So if you're ready, click the link below and schedule a time to talk with me now, and we can get started. And so in closing here, I mentioned earlier, my tagline is let's grow together, because I truly believe that we can achieve so much more by working together as a whole and getting this information out there, educating more people. And so I leave you with this, and my final word, let's grow together.